So having created our sequence from our first clip, if we want to then add in more clips, I'm going to use the numbering sequence that's within the shots themselves. So I'm going to double click on shot 2 in my project panel. This again will open it up into the source monitor. And basically what we're going to be doing here is trimming our clips and then adding them to the timeline. Again, we can scrub them. Now you'll notice that I have no audio while I'm scrubbing. That's because I've turned off play audio when scrubbing. Find it a little bit more convenient. Now if you want to find that feature for yourselves, if you are on the PC, go to the Edit menu and down to Preferences. If you're on the Mac, use the Premiere Pro Preferences and select General. Now there is a shortcut, Command or Control, comma. Okay, and I'm going to go into Audio, and it's here where you can turn off play audio while scrubbing. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to trim this clip, so I'm quite happy with the beginning. I like the high 5, but I don't want this clip to go on too long, so I may well trim it at a certain point. I'm going to actually put an out point at this location, so you'll see I'm ignoring the last part of the clip. I'm then going to hover over this and drag this onto my timeline, and it will snap to my current clip. Now you'll see my timeline is expanding. Towards the bottom of the timeline panel, you have the navigator bar. Now this is useful for changing your view size. As your clips get more and more, you'll find that you'll need to change these settings to see more of your clips.